Welcome back to the Car Collective, the channel where we dive deep into the world of classic cars and uncover the stories behind some of the most iconic machines ever built. Today, we're taking a look at a car that's the epitome of American luxury and automotive elegance, the Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Convertible. This car isn't just a symbol of the Cadillac brand, it's a representation of the 1950s and 1960s golden age of American automobiles. The Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Convertible made its debut in 1953, and over the years it quickly became a symbol of success, luxury, and cutting-edge automotive design. It was Cadillac's flagship model, and not just because of its size and power, but because of its sophistication, craftsmanship, and innovation. The Eldorado was Cadillac's answer to the growing demand for cars that weren't just functional, but aspirational. The Biarritz edition in particular was designed for those who wanted to make a statement. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you can feel the grandeur. The long, sleek body with its smooth flowing lines gives it a sense of elegance that few cars can match. The chrome accents, which Cadillac was known for during this era, highlight the contours of the car and give it a glistening appearance in the sunlight. And let's not forget the tail fins, a design feature that has become synonymous with Cadillac and is arguably one of the most recognizable elements of 1950s automotive design. Under the hood, the Eldorado Biarritz was no slouch. Powered by a 331 cubic inch V8 engine, it delivered a solid 210 horsepower, which, for the time, was more than enough to propel this luxury cruiser down the road with ease. Paired with a hydromatic transmission, the driving experience was smooth, quiet, and powerful. Cadillac was known for its smooth ride, and the Eldorado Biarritz certainly lived up to that reputation. It was a car that prioritized comfort and refinement, making it a joy to drive on long, open highways. But the real magic of the Eldorado Biarritz lies in the details. Inside, you'll find a cabin that's pure luxury. The seats are upholstered in leather and adorned with intricate stitching, offering both comfort and style. The dashboard is beautifully designed with a mix of chrome, wood, and leather, providing a high-end look that was ahead of its time. The attention to detail is evident, in everything from the polished switches to the beautiful chrome accents throughout the interior. Cadillac spared no expense when it came to crafting a cabin that exuded opulence. What truly sets the Biarritz apart, however, is its convertible top. There's something special about driving a car like this with the wind in your hair and the sun on your face. The process of lowering the top is effortless, thanks to Cadillac's innovative hydraulic system, and it's one of those features that really elevates the driving experience. Over the years, the Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Convertible has become a highly sought-after classic car. It's a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts alike, and for good reason. The combination of style, performance, and luxury makes it a standout in automotive history. It's the kind of car that commands attention wherever it goes, a true symbol of American craftsmanship and automotive engineering. Today, the Eldorado Biarritz is more than just a car, it's a piece of history. It's a reminder of an era when cars were more than just a means of transportation. They were a statement, a symbol of status, and a work of art. And while the world of automotive design has changed since the Eldorado's heyday, the legacy of this incredible car still lives on. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this look at the Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Convertible, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Car Collective for more in-depth looks at classic cars from all around the world. Until next time, keep your engines running and your wheels spinning.